What's up? What's up? What's up? You already know. This is Peach. Come on. This is Peach. One more time. This is Peach. You got it. And it is so windy. Hopefully the wind isn't too bothersome, but I decided today we're going to be talking about how you can purchase a home using your Section 8 voucher. And instead of just sitting down talking to y'all, I thought we might as well go look at a new community. Let's go. All right, Peach Patch. So many people don't know that they can purchase a home with their Section 8 voucher. Yes, with your Section 8 voucher. A lot of times people want to own homes and they think it'll never happen, or in order for me to own a home, I'm just gonna give up this Section 8 voucher and go buy me one. Don't do that without first trying to take advantage of this program. It is called the Housing Choice Voucher Home Ownership Program. And to get in it is pretty easy. It's offered at most public housing authorities throughout the United States as well as in Puerto Rico. But in order to see if your housing authority actually is taking participants, you have to act. To get into this program, you do already need to be on Section 8. Section 8 is a government federally funded program, okay? So it's funded by the federal government. It is available in all 50 states as well as in Puerto Rico. You can use your Section 8 voucher to transfer to other cities, other counties, and other states, okay, guys? So if you are in a different state and you have Section 8 and you're trying to move to Texas, you can take your federally funded Section 8 voucher and move to Texas. But not only can you move to Texas with it, you can also purchase a home in Texas utilizing your Section 8 voucher if it's available. I'm located in the Tampa, Florida area, and here in Tampa, Florida, in order to have access to the funding available through their home ownership program that will allow you to purchase a home, you must be in the FSS program. FSS stands for Family Self-Sufficiency Program. I was in this program years ago when I was on Section 8, and I highly recommend that you look into it wherever you are in the United States if you are currently on Section 8. This program is amazing. So Peach Patch, I highly recommend that you all get into the Family Self-Sufficiency Program when you have zero to no income, like little income. Let's say your total rent is $1,000, but you're only responsible for paying just $100 because your income is so low. After a while, you get a job and your rent increases to $500. That extra $400 that the Tampa Housing Authority or whatever public housing authority that you have by you, that they would have been paying, they then put it in an escrow account and they save it for you for up to 5 years. I know in some states, their family self-sufficiency program is only 2 years long, but here in Tampa, Florida, it is 5 years long. So that money sits in that account. If your car breaks down, if you need money for school, you can actually get that money out and use it. But the best part is at the end of that, at the end of the 5 years or whenever you meet your 3 goals that they make you write at the beginning of the program, is that you get all of your money back. I actually graduated from this program in 2015. I got an award and everything, did a whole ceremony. But I didn't take my money. I also didn't know I could have purchased a house utilizing the funds from that program. And not only that, that I could have used my Section 8 voucher to pay on my house. Now, with the Section 8 Family Self-Sufficiency Program, once you get into it, they do make you do credit counseling. They offer you free credit repair classes. And once your credit gets up to par and you know all about debt to income ratio and not to maximize your credit cards and understand how a mortgage works, you then have the power to go out and purchase a home. Even new construction. Yeah, you can purchase new construction with your Section 8 voucher. Right, Peach Patch. So if you purchase a home utilizing your Section 8 voucher, what'll happen is Section 8 will help you pay your mortgage, a certain set amount of your mortgage. If the loan is 20 years or less, they will help you for 10 years. If the loan term for your mortgage is more than 20 years, like a 30-year mortgage, which is something a lot of people do, a 30-year fixed mortgage, I recommend a 15. But if you were to do that, they will help you for 15 years. And the best part is when you die, you can go ahead and leave your home to your children and things of that nature. Now, the only thing is you can get kicked off of this program, just like you can get kicked off regular Section 8. Also, if your income becomes too high, they can stop assisting you. But I always try to tell people about this program because a lot of people are on Section 8. They can't find any rental properties. It's crazy right now to rent. Consider getting into the Family Self-Sufficiency program so that you can buy a house with your Section 8 voucher. I also want to point out, guys, even though in Tampa, Florida, I don't know about where you are, how long your program is, but in Tampa, Florida, our Family Self-Sufficiency program is 5 years. It's 5 years max. You can graduate from that program early. Maybe your credit is already good. Maybe you already have the income and you just need a little increase. Maybe one of your goals will be to get off of food stamps and then to go back. Don't put no hard goals. I know when I was in the program, one of my goals was to get my bachelor's degree in education. I wanted to be a school teacher. And you can change your goals. They won't tell you that. Your caseworker won't tell you that. The people that work at Section 8 won't even let you know about these programs, which is why I'm making it my mission to inform you that they exist, because I wasn't informed until it was too late. But you can graduate early. I say make it some realistic short-term goals that you can reach really fast. Like maybe you want to become an accountant. Maybe you just want to get your high school diploma. Maybe you want to get another job. Like little short-term goals. Get your credit score to a 650 that you can reach really easily. Peach Patch, I also wanted to point out, in order to get in this program, you do have to have income. You need to be working. The head of the household needs to be working and have income so that they can get in this program and purchase a home. However, if you are disabled, guess what? You could buy a house too. Yes, you can buy a house even if you only get Social Security benefits. And yes, Section 8 can help you secure a home even if it's brand new construction with your Section 8 voucher. They can also assist you one time with a down payment. So Peach Patch, me personally, I would not utilize the Section 8 program for just that one down payment. I would utilize something else. They have different types of down payment assistance programs depending on where you are. Like I'm in Tampa, Florida, which is also Hillsborough County. We have the City of Tampa down payment assistance program, and we have Hillsborough County down payment assistance program. So you can use those down payment assistance programs, and then on top of that, still utilize your Section 8 voucher for the Section 8 Housing Choice Home Ownership Program, where they're taking care of your monthly payments. I have a family member that did this process, and they moved into their home for $50. That's all they paid, was $50. Peach Patch, you still get to go out and search and look for a home in your budget, okay? So you'll still apply for a loan like normal, get approved for the loan. Let Section 8 know that you're approved for the loan. You'll have a caseworker at Section 8 inside of the Family Self-Sufficient program that is well educated on this subject, assisting you. After that, you'll go out, you'll search for real estate. Once you have your pre-approval letter, so you know how much home can you actually afford. That is your buying power. Once you have your pre-approval letter, you know how much house you can afford to get, like how much your mortgage will be. And you can go pick out a house. You put in an offer for a house, it gets accepted. You must do a housing inspection, and you must pay for it out of your own pocket. Section 8 will not cover the inspection, but inspections don't cost that much. They're anywhere between, I'll say $200 to $1,000, but usually no more than that. Also, guys, once it gets an inspection, it must pass the public housing inspection part. So it can't just be like basic because of the type of funding you're about to get. It must pass their regular standard. Just want to point out how they throwing these houses up like hotcakes, y'all. These are NAR homes. I'm gonna take y'all into a model as well, just so y'all can see how these homes look. Now, Peach Patch, if you do decide to utilize this program, you do not have to pay the money back, okay? I think unless you hit the lotto, because even with regular Section 8, you don't got to pay it back unless you hit the lotto. But yeah, you don't have to pay the money back. You can sell your home. You just gotta let them know you sold it so that they can stop assisting you with that monthly voucher amount. Know that I already mentioned that you can port with your Section 8 vouchers. For those of you like, what is port? Porting means you can take that voucher to different counties, different cities, different states. Okay, so it's hard to find, like I'm in Tampa, Florida. Right now, it is so hard to find rental properties because the housing market is crazy. And it's also hard to find rental properties for people with regular Section 8 vouchers. So one of the options you can utilize is to port to a different county. I just had a client come to me like that. I was like, girl, port to Pasco County because it's a little bit easier over there. People in Pasco County are still accepting Section 8 versus in Tampa, everybody is selling homes because they're going for $10,000 to $100,000 over asking price, and people are paying that stuff in cash. Okay, I'm hoping and praying that this video wasn't too all over the place and too windy, but I wanted to do something unconventional. Instead of me just telling y'all about the program while I'm sitting down, I want you to look at new real estate and be inspired and know that this is possible. Even if you are low income, this is possible. Home ownership is possible for you. Patch, I am loving this orange dough. That orange dough is like popping. Comment down below, what kind of house do you want? Do you want a 2-story home? Do you want a rancher? What kind of driveway do you have? Let's all start dreaming big, picking out what color your front door is. What color is the outside of your house? Is it 2-car garage, 1-car garage, no garage? Does it have a fence? Like, get very, very detailed. This is how we manifest our dreams. And I also want y'all to get in the habit of going out and starting to look at real estate. If your goal is to own a home, go start looking at homes. Look at big homes, small homes, fixer-uppers. Go look at it all. I'm telling y'all, these homes are selling like hotcakes. They already got their sold sign in the yard. These things are selling like hotcakes. I'm gonna go in the office because I think they may have some inventory homes left. Most builders don't have any inventory homes, but Lennar built so many. I'm sure they probably do. Also, for any of you guys interested in using your Section 8 voucher to purchase you a home, please, please, please talk to your Section 8 caseworker. Ask them what kind of lenders accept this program. It's gonna be a challenge to find a lender, but normally the caseworkers who work with this program, they already have relationships with lenders who typically approve this kind of client and accept this kind of funding. So they're well versed in that area, okay? Patch, I cannot believe I just walked around this whole little block. Look, I started over this way and I walked all the way around to over here. You are taking your home ownership classes. They're gonna educate you about CDDs, HOAs, taxes, and all of that stuff. Okay, voter registration, making sure you are voting about what's going to go on in your community, because your taxes pay for a lot of the stuff that goes on, especially with the school system. Renters don't pay taxes, property taxes. Homeowners do. So make sure if you are a homeowner, you are voting on these important issues.
Hit her like you like, hit her like you like, for your girl. You like my pictures, hit her like you like. You like my videos, hit her like you like. You ain't no hater, hit her like you like. You getting paper, hit her like you like. Go like, let's go. Like to the flow. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. Like, let's go. Like, hit her like you like, for your girl go. Slide with a like, rock with a like, to the left, to the right, go like. Australia better like, US better like, UK hit her like, hit her like you like, hit her like, for your girl. Take it back to the like, from the left to the right, go like, Scotland better like, hit her like, go left to the right, go like, Africa go like, worldwide go like. I hope y'all like this sound. Yep, that's right. Hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for juking. Bye.